Cereal was first invented by Skittledorf Zapsov. This is a real photo of him taken in 1984. He had a very different way of producing cereal than stupid, dumb, idiot you and I might do it today. You see, it consisted of 5 main ingredients, none of which is a cat. And so the first step is overview that you have the perfect pristine condition of everything. Clean spoons, clean milk, and of course cereal. So the first step you need to do if you want to make authentic cereal is unscrew the milk and then pour the milk and use your right hand because it was currently holding in the iPad for recording. And then once you pour it into like about halfway, it has to always be the first step. Nothing else really works for this part. Then you gotta unclip the cereal box of Leap and Lemurs. The box, yes. And then you untwirl it with one hand because you have no camera mount. And then you pour it into the bowl. Although be careful to only do a couple and don't flip and spill. Why did I cut it? Okay, this is a bad example. So if any spill, then remember, wasting is your last priority. So you pick them up and put it back in like nothing ever did happen. Now you see, now that you have your practically perfect bowl of cereal, take the large spoon and put it into it so you can just grab a tiny little bit, a little bit more of a tiny bit, that's perfect. And of course, the big bowl is just for proportions, so then you can have a bigger array of what kind of cereal you can choose. And then use the big spoon to make the actual cereal. And then there you have it, a nice, authentic bowl of Leap and Lemurs made authentically by the guy who I definitely researched.